What's up, guys? Welcome to a new adventure. I'm in Shark Bay for the first time ever with my man Jake Reed. We're on another awesome trip and we're going to spend 5 days in this beautiful bay full of peninsulas, epic water, red dirt. It's going to be pretty spectacular. We've woken up on day one about 5 a.m. Look at the colour in the sky from the sunrise. It's going to be an epic trip. Day one, let's get into it.
Might have to land on one of these islands if it doesn't get...
Really? Oh! It's landed?
Like I'm landing it.
I can go to a rescue mission and go pick it up.
We'll have to.
How do we get around there? Get the kayak.
Yeah, we'll have to actually.
What happened, Jake?
Look, I was too greedy for the shots and I nearly lost my drone in the process.
The drone is now over there.
The drone is now over there.
Gearing up for the big rescue. Has he done it?
Oh! Save!
What happened, Jake?
So basically, was flying my drone, battery went flat and I couldn't get it back because of the wind, so I had to land it on the other side of the lagoon. And then went and ran back, got the kayak, went across, got it, and then I came back and it was all good. And then I went to reshoot me arriving and I dropped the drone in the water. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I'm like, oh, I've got to dry the drone. I've got to dry the drone. And in the panic of that, I didn't realize that the kayak that I just come back in was floating out to sea.
Debating having the drone back. Oh no!
I swam and I swam and I swam and it was just going further and further away from me. Cam was just laughing at me. Couldn't help but just laugh the whole time.
Jake, no! Jake, no!
I'm stressing. I eventually got to the kayak, swam back very, very slowly, got back and pretty much died of exhaustion.
So as you can tell, we had a pretty eventful morning. Jake especially did. Go check out his channel for a full video of the morning. He had the GoPro with him in the water, so it should be pretty hilarious. The link will be in the description below. But other than that, we're going to keep exploring Big Lagoon here in beautiful Shark Bay. We did check it out a little bit at sunrise this morning, but there's plenty more to see. And hopefully the wind holds up a little bit so we can get the drone up and get some awesome shots. It's pretty spectacular here. Hey, Jake.
So good.
So beautiful. The blue water, red dirt. It's not really like this anywhere else that I've been. So we're hopefully going to have a good rest of the day and hope you guys enjoy the video. we've just passed the point that we got to this morning, and man, look how beautiful this is. These red cliffs, blue water, just serene, hey Jakey? Wind is still hectic, but we'll see how we go. Definitely gonna get the drone up. We made it to these epic red cliffs on the other side of the lagoon. We saw them when we were all the way over there, and they are awesome. This is what, like, a big thing we were looking forward to in Shark Bay was the awesome red sand with the epic blue water and the contrasts. Jake is our epic photographer, so we're going to take some bangers now. Go check out both our Instagrams, links in the description as usual. But we're going to take some photos here. Those drone shots were awesome, and we're going to keep exploring. This place is unreal. We're literally watching the tide come in as we're walking, so the longer we stay out here, the less sand we're going to have to work with, but it's so much fun, hey? It's so much fun. Alright, we've been walking for a couple hours now. The wind is insane here at Big Lagoon in Shark Bay. The drone is really struggling. I almost lost mine just a few minutes ago. Not able to get as many shots as I wanted from the sky, but that's all good. We're going to start heading back towards camp, hopefully in time for an awesome sunset, so stay tuned for that. What a day we're at camp now. The sun is setting, just trying to hide from the wind, which has been relentless today. We're cooking up a feed, steak sandwiches tonight. It's going to be awesome. We've got another 5 or 6 days in beautiful Shark Bay. Today was Big Lagoon and it did not disappoint. Absolutely stunning, as you guys would have seen from the drone shots. We've got plenty more videos from Shark Bay coming your way, so subscribe to the YouTube channel, like this video if you enjoyed it, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.